don't see this too often. We got the new Mercedes S63 E-Performance Hybrid. This is a hell of a car. Everybody at the shop, whoever's driven it, they have been insanely impressed by this car. This car is truly ridiculous for what it is. And it took a while for the S-Class S63 to come out. It literally took like 3-4 years, but it is out. And now we have Brabus this thing. It's insane. Look at all the carbon on there. We got this deck spoiler that looks amazing. That whole diffuser, Brabus does it the best, honestly, when it comes to this kind of thing. You got the Brabus carbon fiber tips on there as well. We opted to leave the AMG and the black Mercedes and the red S63 emblem because, boy, does that look really, really gorgeous. We got the crazy Brabus monoblock wheels. These have the plaque, platinum edition. So if you don't have the plaque, they're fake. This is original Brabus wheels with that center lock right there. As you can see, it looks insane as well. Black with the silver on there to match some of that chrome. As you can see, we left the door handles and a few little tidbits. Nothing goes on the side skirt. They're pretty nice already. We got the carbon fiber Brabus fender trim right here. Really, really nice. As you can see, it says Brabus. We got that gorgeous, gorgeous front end. Front end is probably the best part about it. We have these grill pieces that look really ridiculous. We had to trim the original grill to fit those. They're carbon. We got the Brabus light in the grill as well. The Brabus B logo on the front grill. And then we have this LEDs with the carbon fiber grill surrounds right there. These big old pieces. And then we have that one spoiler on the bottom as well. Really cool car. Not only that, it's insanely fast. So smooth. Just pure luxury sports in a sedan. Sound system, probably the best sound system out right now in any car. It's crazy. The seats vibrate with the bass. They have subwoofers in the seats. The display's 3D in front of you. It has hybrid mode, sport, sport plus, all that stuff. Loaded with tech, loaded. This car right now, as it sits, it's over $300,000. So with the Brabus kit and the car, 300 plus right here. You see the baddest Mercedes, I think, on the street. Let us know what you think. So, we finally received the exposed carbon fiber parts from Rift. Very hard to get. This is obviously not your traditional kit that they offer, so it takes quite a bit of time to get a wide body kit, and it's exposed carbon. The wing is taped on because it's dangling. The bumper is totally destroyed, and this is something that we can't fix because it's exposed carbon. So we have the new parts. John's gonna remove the bumper, the wing, all that stuff. We're gonna put it back. The beauty about this car and exposed carbon is we don't have to paint anything. It comes in, we could change it up, and the car's good to go again. So yeah, we'll show you guys the outcome, but look how bad that is right now. have it. McLaren 765, fully exposed wide body. It's all fixed and good now. As you can see, everything's perfect. We got the new wing on there. We got the new bumper, the side, the diffuser, all of it new, and it all looks great. So there you have it, finished up. This is a wild car.
How much?
Where are you going? Why are you trying to leave?
Huh? You never got tired, huh?
What?
You never got tired.
When you got tired, huh?
Tired? Yeah. That's about me.
What did you say? He's saying you talk shit.
Yeah. Why?
When?
Every day.
Oh yeah.
Aye.
What's this?
Yeah, what are you gonna get? Oh, my here. Somebody's trying to tell you, but they don't know when. We gotta eat, so.
All right, guys, we have a rather difficult and different job right here. We're gonna show you guys. We have a brand new Porsche Cayenne Turbo. You don't see much of these. This is the new updated version. Looks incredible, honestly. Look at the wheels, they're factory. So pretty cool, it's a hybrid as well. But this customer has a nick for tan interiors. And sadly, this car was unavailable with tan interiors. It only had a black interior. So they opted to get a white on black and then send it to us to make the whole interior tan. So as you can see, pretty much everything's been transformed. We have it taped up because this car is actually going on a transport truck because this car is not local. It is being transported back to the customer. So we are protecting it. But as you can see, I mean, the entire, anything you see that's tan here used to be black. So literally everything. We have some rubber floor mats on there for safety. That's the only thing that kind of looks black down there. Obviously the screens and that stuff still remains black, but I mean everything else, the whole ceiling. The ceiling has a mesh sunshade and that's even tan now. That used to be black. Very hard to do this car because there's a mix of several different components, plastic, leather, textured, all kinds of stuff, and all of it has been turned into tan. The other thing we did is also it had black piano wood on there, which a lot of people like, but again, this customer likes tan with regular wood colored panels. So we went ahead and made our own wood panels. That's something you don't see all the time, but I mean, as you can see, wood right there, wood throughout, wood in the back doors, all that stuff. So this is a very, very difficult job and it has to be very detailed because it is the interior and you're working with materials, but it came out really, really nice. Again, the back is wrapped. Even the carpet's in tan. Look at the back door panel. You can see the wood here better. All this was custom made by RDB. Even these things, these pockets in the back used to be black. We also made those tan. No, we didn't stop there. We went to the back as well. And even the back. Here are the custom floor mats we made for them in tan. That's not in the car, we're keeping it safe. But as you can see, all tan. The only thing we didn't do black is this guy, but this is removable. And then as you can see here, this is a 2024 Cayenne Turbo E Hybrid. And it's about a $200,000 car right here. So pretty crazy, pretty cool car, 729 horsepower. So this is a really, really nice car. Now with the full tan interior. This is a one-of-one Porsche Cayenne at this point. So this customer has also an RSQ8 that possibly wants to do the same exact job. So let's see what happens.